Hey guys, this is Mohan from Team Cubelelo, back again with another video tutorial of the Cubelelo snake puzzle. Snake puzzle is one of the most versatile and creative twisty puzzle around, and we can make a lot of different shapes out of our imagination, like that of flower, dog, elephant, etc. If you miss out any turn in the video at any point, then you can pause the video or run it in a slow motion. Today we will learn how to make heart. So without any further ado, let's get started with this fun shape. For more such shapes, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon for more notifications. You can buy this puzzle from our website cubelelo.com. You can see the link in the description.